Start by pulling the carpet back and removing the 4 bolts shown. Pop off the 3 linkage mounting points. Toss it to the side. Remove the 2 nuts from the mounting bracket attached to the transfer case. Install the new bracket and tighten. We've found a 1/4 inch ratchet works the best. With a friend, install the new body bracket and tighten the 4 bolts. Install the cable through both brackets, along with jam nuts, and tighten them. Install a clevis on both ends of the cable. Place one of the supplied bushings in both the transfer case arm and the shifter arm. You will need to adjust the cable and endpoints to attach both retaining clips.
For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.